everybody, Asang Filipina here, and this is my outfit today from Shein. This is not a sponsored video, and this heels is also from Shein, and we're gonna try it on, and then we're gonna walk with this. So it's matching outfit today, so we're gonna do it. So let's get started. And this is just the dress, well, I have this red tunnels. It's very sexy and I really love it because the color is really, it's matte, glossy, tunnel polish today. So for now, I'm going to try on my heels. So it's been a while that I did not wear this one. Now we're going to wear it. So there's a background music. It's very loud, but I'm glad that they make it the volume, they lower the volume. So I have this anklet. So I'm gonna fix my anklet first because it's in the opposite side. So I'm gonna do it like this, and then this. Okay, that's the anklet, and this is also the red heels. So I'm going to make pictures for my dress first. Picture it. So I'm just gonna make picture for this because I really love the outfit. So gikan dire, atras ka po to sa wall bit ha. Sige, sanda ko bit. 1, 2, 3, go. So I'm gonna walk with you. Dito ko muna siya. Diri ko doon sa hawa. Tuyo ko parang dito niya. Tuyo ko kuha ng bangko. Dito na ako. Yan ako magi. Sa kuha na ko o 8 minutes. Kape. Dato na kong dito. Tuyo ko niya pa doon.
TL or
Diri hawa.
now or TL?
Alam na. Kaya maputol man. Para di na ka mo hawa sa imong posisyon.
Sige.
Tuyo ka na kasadok ko.
Sige.
Nakuha na ang bangko. Dato butang. Ikuha na mga 9 siguro ka na kayo. Nagsasabi mo ta.
Then,
Maghimo ko ko mga short video. Sikas pa pagkatik ano to. Yun nga. Di kinita asa ni. Okay na?
hold ni?
Dire ko to.
Oh, diha na.
Marang na call. Munitin lang kayo. Tuwik man ko. Sunda ko.
Sige.
Ayun lang. Asa. Hindi na siya. Patay. Pwede hold daan niya. Pada ko.
Ah.
rate my shoes 1 to 10. Napilang mo sandali. Wala. Minutes.
6.
Yan, may whole body na.
Ha?
So this is my new plants. Pwede na ni mo i-wall.
Sige.
Kaya kumanaan ni mga shorts na ta. Kaya mga dito to da.
Sige. Hold na na. So I'm gonna check. Ilan ako? 8:50.
So everyone, I hope you like our walking video today. So that's the nails that we're using. I'm wearing today. That's all.